If you're new here, my name's Andy, and for the last 10 years I've been a professional campervan and motorhome builder, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build your own campervan using your own basic tools. Today we're going to be cutting out for this front skylight, going through the process of marking it out, cutting the hole and sealing it, and then finally fitting in the skylight to the roof. Morning guys, pretty miserable day today here to be fair, but we need to get this skylight in, so while the rain's stopped we'll get a bit of cutting action in. So what I've done, I've cleared the insulation and the sound deadening off the roof panel, ready for the interior frame that I've made up. I've actually put the profiles of the roof on and the actual curve. You probably can't see it, but there's the curvature of the roof because it slopes down. So try and do this one-handed. So as you can see, that fits nicely all the way around. Just put a little bit out on the back. But yeah, that's all. So when you're screwing your hecky down, your skylight, whatever you want to call it, it doesn't buckle the roof, it stays nice and true. So you've got your exterior frame and your interior frame. Now a lot of people miss this piece out, as in scribing the interior. Right, so the most important thing, obviously, when you're cutting a hole out in the roof is protection of your van. You don't want any metal filings coming inside your van, especially not on your interior on the front. So what we use the original box that your hecky came in, your skylight, and just place it up against the roof where your hole's going to be cut. A couple of bungee cords, and that's it. That's ready to receive any drop-ins that come through. Safe taping it all up and bagging it with a sheet or whatever. It's just as easy to do as that. So that's what we're going to do. Right, so the next job is to put butyl sealant around the Mk8 and the adapter plate. What we're going to do is put the butyl rubber on this, as it's not very wide. We can't get it's too wide for the 1-inch mastic, so we'll put the mastic tape on there, and then we'll also put some of this on the roof as well. So I'm just going to cut that. So just a nice little bead area.